Roseanne blaming prescription drugs for the racist tweet that got her show canceled. Anaridis Rodriguez is here now with the new details for us. Anaridis.
Chris, the TV star has spent much of the overnight hours and early morning hours on Twitter saying the social media backlash is similar to what President Trump must deal with daily and blaming the racist tweet on using the sedative Ambien. Here's the tweet. It reads, "Guys, I did something unforgivable, so do not defend me. It was 2 in the morning and I was Ambien tweeting. It was Memorial Day too. I went too far and I do not want it defended." But Roseanne is also retweeting many of her supporters, claiming she apologized after she was fired and that ABC had other options. The fallout for the controversial comedian comes after a tweet published early Tuesday. In the now deleted tweet, Roseanne compared former Obama advisor Valerie Jarrett to an ape. 11 hours later, ABC canceled Roseanne's highly rated reboot and called the tweet repugnant and inconsistent with our values. Yesterday, Jarrett responded, saying we can learn from this.
I think we have to turn it into a teaching moment. I'm fine. I'm worried about all the people out there who don't have a circle of friends and followers who come right to their defense.
This morning, Hulu joined Paramount, TV Land, and CMT in pulling Roseanne reruns. Kate?